In a quiet town lived Emma, a kind and curious girl. One sunny morning, she found an old, empty glass jar. "What can I fill this with?" she wondered. Her grandmother smiled. "Why not fill it with good things you do each day?" Emma's eyes sparkled. "That's a lovely idea." So Emma began. When she helped her brother, a pebble went in. Sharing cookies with a friend, another pebble. She added more for helping her mom, saying thank you and hugging her grandma. Are you enjoying Emma's story? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Weeks passed, and the jar slowly filled. One evening, Emma whispered, "This jar is full of kindness." Her grandmother hugged her. "And your heart is even fuller, dear Emma." Emma's jar was full of love and happiness. Even the smallest act of kindness makes a big difference. What kind things will you do today to fill your kindness jar? Moral: even the smallest act of kindness makes a big difference. Question for kids: what kind things will you do today to fill your kindness jar? Bye-bye, friends. Take care and see you in the next story.